Hey guys, what's up? Today I just woke up and my dog was eating grass, which is not good. But I noticed something in my bush, and there was a flock of birds, right? And they all flew away. But then I saw something moving in my bush. I was like, that's weird. And then I thought it was a bird, and it's probably a bird. So this video is going to be about going to save the bird. But I told my mom, and yeah. So I am gonna save the bird. But like it was moving, and I thought the family left it. So it's like, what's going on in there? And I thought it was a bird, and it's probably going to be a bird. So I'm going to go get my shoes on and film helping. I always give side eye to my tablet for some. Like, I try to look at you, and then I look at me. Good, guys. Okay. I'm going to get this on, and this is my makeup video for all the video, and I will be posting it, don't worry. So it's gonna be kind of funny. Drop you guys on the cooler. I think it's in that bush. See that bush? I don't know if you can. It's right there. I saw something moving in it. Maybe it got out. I don't know. So I'm gonna open the bush and I'm gonna sit you guys down. Are any birdies in there? I don't see any. Now I'm seeing something. There has to be someone in this. I don't see any. Maybe it's just my hallucinating. But anyway, guys, I tried to save a bird, but I don't think there's a bird. Oh, I think it got out, guys. So yeah, right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Okay. Right there, there's an open area where it looks like it could have got out. So, guys, that is it. I'm wearing flip-flops. And that is it. I'm probably going to be posting a YouTube short and maybe a TikTok. This was my very short YouTube video for trying to save a bird, but it wasn't there. So yeah. Oh, poor dog laying right there. This is my Koopa Loopa. He's my dog. I don't know if you've seen him in videos. You've probably seen him on my friend's channel. And I don't even know how to link. I thought it was like link meant like do other stuff, but it didn't. So tell me how to link. Bye guys.